Hello, everybody. It's Lori with the Produce Moms. It is great to be here with you on behalf of our wonderful brand partners at Naturipe. At the Produce Moms, we do our best to always work with the leading brands in the produce department and the best brands that are committed to sustainability and empowering the farm worker and really the entire supply chain. And you get all of that with the Naturipe brand. So it's a true joy to be here today and celebrating their berries. So our good brand partners at Naturipe, they've asked us to come up with a real simple recipe that moms like me and our whole team at the Produce Moms and our whole community can do with their children. So today what I'm going to demonstrate is a take on sushi night. So if your household's like mine, you might have some children who are, let's just say, averse to seafood, okay? I struggle to get Joe and Max sometimes to embrace seafood and, just trying new things. So this is a take on sushi night, but it's using pinwheels, so tortillas, spreads, all the Naturipe berries, and some other fun toppings. So let's get started. Our first one, I've got some crunchy peanut butter here on the flour tortilla, and I am going to add raspberries to this, washed with cold water. Always wash your produce with cold running water, and you just fill it up like that. Perfect. And then you just have to roll it tightly, and sort of like sushi, but it's not. But it still has all that same amount of fun. Okay, smash it together. It's all right if there's a little bit of runaways. Don't worry about it. All right. So we'll hold this one here. I'll cut them all here at the end. We'll snack for me. All right, next. Guacamole. Homemade or store-bought works just fine. With the guacamole, if you haven't tried it, you need to try it. We're adding blueberries. Blueberries and guacamole, they really do go well together. You could certainly add more toppings to this. And what I love about this kind of, all these little pinwheels, like make it your own, right? So use this as your inspiration. There's no right or wrong way to do this. The only thing with the blueberries is they do like to run away, so you kind of have to smash them down in the guac. If you get a little tear in your tortilla like I did just there, don't worry about it. Just keep rolling. Perfect. Let that one sit there. Okay. Next, cream cheese. Kind of a classic topping on these pinwheels, or a spread, I should say, on the pinwheels. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit this with a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning. Salt, poppy seeds, a little bit of garlic, dehydrated onion. Make your own, or you can buy it really at any grocery store in the spice aisle. Perfect. All right. Lay down some cheddar cheese here. Lay down some spinach. Do a whole bed of that. This is just some turkey breast, some deli meat. It's a honey roasted. You can use whatever you want. Chicken salad would work really well here. If you don't eat meat, just leave it out. Okay. Whatever your kids like, right? That's what you put in this thing. Okay. Now for the berry for this one, I'm going to go with blackberries. The one rule when you're making these is go heavy on the berries. I know everyone at Naturipe agrees with me on that. Substitute anything but the berries. Okay, runaway blackberry. There we go. All right, that looks pretty good. kind of press it down, and then off we roll. This is going to be our fattest one. There's more toppings in this one than any of the others, so just be patient as you roll. Don't worry about it if stuff falls out. We're cutting these anyway. A trick is you can always try to find leave a little bit of the smear here and let that be your glue. Okay. Told you that was going to be the fattest one. All right. Last one. Oh, this is my favorite. Okay, fig jam. These are some onions that I sauteed in a little bit of balsamic vinegar. So they're kind of a caramelized onion, but also kind of like a crispy, semi-sweet, semi-tangy onion. So yummy, yummy. Okay. I've got some brie cheese here that I've cut into like a little strips. Very soft cheese. So if it sticks together like that one, who cares? It's no big deal. We're going to add strawberries, and you can see I've sliced them thin so that they can roll up easily. We got a balsamic glaze. I'm going to squeeze over the top here. Fantastic. Okay, time to roll it up. It's like a charcuterie board and a pinwheel, right? Delicious. Okay. Now for the big reveal. You can stop right here, wrap them up and refrigerate them as like a meal prep strategy, or if you're entertaining and you want to kind of cut your prep time, this is where you stop, okay? Once you cut them, they're gonna start getting, like all fruits and veggies or anything that you prep, once they're cut, they start kind of, like it's time to serve them. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh, does this not look amazing? Look at that. What a delicious bite. So you can add a toothpick here, or you can simply just kind of arrange them on a platter. And really, this is a great way to just get creative, some fun in the kitchen, get the kids involved. Same concept really as like a DIY pizza night is this. These wraps are a great way to get some fruits and veggies into your kids' diets. This one's a delicious combo. Yum. Okay, next. This is the blueberry and guacamole. Ooh, got a little too hard on that one. You gotta be kind of gentle, especially with these soft fillings. You don't want to squeeze them out too much like I did right here. Okay. Ah, so fun though. Great. Okay. That one's kind of a, that one could use a toothpick there, but we'll let it go. All right. And then our last one is, think of this one as like the kids menu, right? It's peanut butter and jelly, but of course with all fresh ingredients, and the gorgeous and delicious Naturipe raspberries. Oh my goodness, look at how yummy that looks. This is a great one for lunch boxes as well. Add your leftover berries here as the garnish. Okay, so how good does this look? Seriously, everyone, enjoy this simple recipe. Adapt it, make it your own. Use our ideas. We don't care. All that we care about is that you use Naturipe berries. In all seriousness, thank you to our brand partners at Naturipe. Thank you for everyone that's here with us today. Please enjoy this recipe. If you do make it, we'd love for you to tag Naturipe Farms as well as the Produce Moms on your Instagram.